Guys, it's like 3 a.m. right now, like 3:42, almost 4 o'clock in the morning. I cannot fall asleep. My mind is racing, and I can only think about one question, bro. Like, gang, you clean the vacuum. You the vacuum cleaner? If I clean the vacuum cleaner, I'm the vacuum cleaner. Bro, like, bro, and it's like, it's the same shit, like, you know how niggas be like, if you punch yourself and then that shit hurts, like, are you strong or is you weak, bro? Like, you punch yourself, like, I need to go to bed, bro.